Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we have created a new endpoint and now I have created new content fragment models. I have already created them just for the sake of to save the time, but let me just open them one by one to see what we have inside them. So my first content fragment model is just an author detail where I have the author name and the profile. That's it. It's very simple. So it's a simple single line text, and this is multi-line text with no validation at all. The second one is book, and here also I have book title, book ISBN number, and here I have used the fragment reference data type. And if I just hover on that, the model which are allowed on this one is the author one. So basically I'm referencing author content fragment model from my book content fragment model. Simple. And the third one is which is independent, because author and book, they are attached right now, is independent, which is editors. And again here I'm having just editor name and the license number. Simple. So I have created these three content fragment models. The next thing is I will create a new folder where I will keep content fragments for these using these content fragment models. So I will go to assets, files, I'll create a new folder, and maybe I will name it as GraphQL demo final. Let's create them, and we need to enable this cloud service configuration. So let's go to properties, cloud service, and this is the endpoint we have created. Let me create this few content fragments using these content fragment models, and we'll continue this video. Thank you so much for watching.